Hi, my name is Bala. I'm the founder of SixDots.io. Now come here. Do you currently work in or are you interested in business analysis, maybe project management, maybe software development or testing? If your answer is yes, then you need to understand the Agile concept. And that's the reason why I'm inviting you to join our Agile Immersion Program. Now, let me tell you about that program. It's a 7-week intensive, rigorous, immersive program, runs every day for 7 weeks. Within the 7 weeks duration, we're going to teach you the Agile mindset and Agile ways of thinking. We're going to teach you different frameworks in Agile, frameworks like Scrum, like Kanban, like Lean. We're going to use different techniques and gamification to make sure that you understand it. We're also going to teach you the tools. Everybody will get access to the tools, and we're going to do a walkthrough. Tools like Jira, Confluence, Miro, and Trello. We will also, the big part, we'll also get you to work on a real life project. I'm not talking about simulations. I'm not talking about case studies. I'm not talking about capstone. I'm talking about real life project where you actually build a digital product or a web application. And then, of course, there is a certification. Now, if you're interested, go to www.sixdots.io/AIP. And I look forward to seeing you in class.